Hi guys, welcome to another farming video. Now in this video, as you can see, I'm going ahead and I'm digging out some holes, and I'm using a string as a guideline to make sure they hold them kind of straight, because you know how things go. You can't really judge it like that. So what I did was I take two sticks, put one at the top, one at the bottom, make sure the cord is in line with both, and then I'm trying to dig it like 2 feet apart, so I'm just judging that. So I'm digging it right next to the to the card right there. So I'm going to do my thing. Yeah, sun hot, so I have to make sure I shield myself from the sun. So I'm just there with my machete and I'm digging some holes. A holes a woman can't walk like man. I lie them, I tell nothing go so. Yeah guys, so I'm going to do my thing because I think I'm gonna plant some sweet pepper up here as well. So I'm just digging out that because I already have the nursery for the sweet pepper. So that's what I'm gonna plant up here. So I want to try to get the hole them dig out so I can get that up and running for the next time. Now what I did, guys, I used the machete to measure the width. So I took it from one end of the stick and put it down, and then I put the stick at the next end of the machete, and then I'm gonna go to the bottom and move that. Okay, so this is just an overview of the whole entire ground. That's my big salad, the broccoli, the lettuce, the sweet pepper, and things over there, and some tomatoes, and I'm gonna get some sweet pepper here as well. And guys, me there go on so me can get done before the Christmas, so me can feed you guys. Can you see me feeding, right? Yeah, I supply the market to you guys so you guys can have healthy meals. Guys, look at all these big tomatoes.
Big salad.
Look at all these big tomatoes. My sister say a big salad. Now I have finished pick my big salad, and I think I pick around probably about 500, hopefully around 500. So they're on big size, so you have all different sizes, some bigger than some, then you have some ripe one. Yes guys, so I'm going to do my thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick some sweet pepper now.